What is up, guys? Welcome to Red Fiber. Welcome to another video. In this video we've got an unboxing video for one of the new mods I just got. We just got this box from LMR, so we're going to be unboxing the new mod that's going to be going on my Mustang. This is just one of those mods where I wasn't sure if I should be doing it. I read mixed reviews. Unless you're tracking it, you kind of need it, but there are some people who said since you have the Gen 3 Coyote, you should have it. So I went ahead and just to be on the safe side, and I got this mod. Alright, I won't keep you guys waiting, so let's go ahead and start unboxing this mod. What's in that LMR box? Alright, so we've got the JLT Oil Separator. This is going to be on the passenger side. I know it said JNL, but that's how because they've recently rebranded from JLT to JNL. They also make one for the driver's side as well, but based on my research, unless you're really tracking your car heavily, you probably don't need the driver's side. A lot of people posted videos or pictures where they have, after an oil change, after 5,000 miles or so, they've checked the oil separator. There was barely any oil on the driver's side. Maybe if you're tracking it heavily, which obviously I don't, then you might need the driver's side. Or the passenger side, a lot of pictures before and after I've seen where there are oil contaminants that are in there for the oil separator or in the oil separator. So it's really beneficial to have that for the passenger side on the Gen 3 Coyote motors. So I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing this as well so you can see the actual oil separator. I have an in-depth installation videos as well, but let's go ahead and open this. I've got my cutter over there, so let's go. Alright, let's see what comes in the box. You obviously got the JLT Oil Separator, or JNL. I keep saying JLT because that's what I'm used to with their name. Looks pretty good. Should be a very easy install. Seems to be very nicely constructed, great materials and all of that. Let's see what else they've got in the box. We've got, I guess, installation video, so that will be helpful as I'm doing the install. I guess all the other products that they've got, and so I guess they've got a bunch of variety for the Jeep, even the imports, as you can see right here. So, and then we've got some stickers. This is one of the stickers. This is a sticker for the oil separator. I guess I could put it, I don't know. I probably won't put this one. And we've got a service reminder, kind of like what you get with the oil change, so you can make sure after every oil change you can replace them. Since there's only 3, I don't see a use for them because I'll probably have it installed as long as I own the car. So that can be also on the side, and that's pretty much it. The box is empty. Well, guys, I can't wait to put the JLT oil separator on the passenger side on the Mustang, and we'll see. I mean, I might get the driver's side, but at least for now, I went to the passenger side, and after a couple oil changes, I really want to see if it actually makes a difference in terms of how much oil it's catching. I'm just kind of curious how much difference it's going to make. So after an oil change, I will make a video where, we can see how much oil it has really captured. I'll probably get an oil change in about 5,000 miles or so, so still a long ways out. But I'll do a before and after video on that as well. If you are considering putting the JLT passenger side oil separator, then I'll have an installation video on that as well. So make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel so you can follow the installation video and also the before and after videos that I'll have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.